Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change any color to any other color in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop and look at the bottom right of your workspace where the Layers panel is. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose Hue or Saturation from the list. A new panel will appear, and this is where all the color changes will happen. Inside this panel, you will notice a small hand icon. This is called the Hand tool. Click on the Hand tool. Then move your cursor over the part of the image that contains the color you want to change. Next, move the hue and saturation sliders all the way to the right. This step is only to help you see which parts of the image are being selected. You will notice some areas are affected more than others. Below the sliders, you will see a gradient bar with handles. Use the handles to expand the color range. This makes sure the entire area of the dress is selected while keeping other areas like skin tone safe from unwanted changes. Adjust the transition handles to make the edges soft and natural. Once the selection looks clean, bring the hue and saturation back to 0. Now you can slowly move the hue slider to choose any color you like. You can adjust saturation to make the color softer or stronger. You can also lower saturation all the way to create black or raise lightness to create white. Take your time to explore the colors until you get the result you want. Thanks for watching.